After thinking about what clothing and gear you'd like to bring along and how you'll keep it organized, you might be realizing it adds up to a lot, especially in such a small space. This is a great time to evaluate what you really need to be happy and to start thinking about ways you can potentially simplify your life and your daily routine a little, and that's what we're going to focus on in this lesson. If you're looking forward to less distractions and more adventure time, consider what you can cut out of your current routine to make time and space for something new. Now, I'm not suggesting eliminating a routine that works for you and brings you joy, but I am suggesting eliminating the unnecessary things that go along with those practices and finding ways to simplify them. For example, if you have a regular exercise routine, don't stop, but can you cut down on some of the exercise equipment that you normally use so you can have a simpler routine on the road? If you like to wear makeup, awesome. You don't have to give up makeup because you're traveling in a van. But can you pare it down to the essentials? Maybe that means one mascara, one foundation or tinted moisturizer, and one lipstick or tinted lip balm. Quality over quantity is a helpful guideline here. If you love to read, van life will certainly give you time to do so. But can you read on a Kindle or iPad to cut back on the space that books take? Or maybe travel with just 1 or 2 books at a time that you can trade out along your travels? The underlying question is, what items will most efficiently accomplish this task and take up the least amount of space? Whatever that task, whether beauty, exercise, work, or cooking, look at your current routine and see what material items can be reduced or removed without sacrificing a healthy practice that brings you joy.